Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Today guys is a Good Friday, so the most financial markets will be closed. At least the exchange traded markets are closed today. Well, Forex is still moving, but this motion is really very lazy and hardly will see any action today. Well, currently guys, there are some interesting setups that has been formed on the Forex markets. Particularly speaking, our Canadian dollar setup is still valid, and market still has the chance to show the downward retracement that we have discussed. Today we will mostly discuss the situation on the Great British Pound, just some let's update a bit what is going on right now on the Great British Pound. Also, I will give you the hint on the Japanese yen on the hourly chart, since the setup has been formed there already. Hardly it will be traded today, but maybe on Monday at the opening we could get the trade. We could try to trade this setup. Situation on the euro currency is also interesting, but there is no rush to deal and discuss right now the situation on the euro. We'll take a look at it during the weekend with our regular weekly research. So now let's start from the daily time frame of the Great British Pound. In fact, here it's not much to add. We said that market has shown the action that we have suggested initially, and we still think that market should reach at minimum this target is the butterfly, but the action inside of this channel suggests that market probably should trying to continue move higher to the upper border, or at least to the major resistance that has been formed on the monthly time frame charts, 170. So currently it's very difficult to say how far market could move. Maybe to the 1618, maybe to the 127. Recent action doesn't clarify this yet. But taking into consideration these retracements, even prior than market has hit 127, at least in the current situation, it's very difficult to count on reaching 1618. We will see, but right now let's be focused mostly on this 127 extension. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we yesterday said that market has hit the monthly pivot resistance 1 and probably should turn to the retracement down, and that has happened. Actually, guys, we have this bearish divergence with the MACD indicator with these tops, and market really could show the downward retracement, and this retracement could be continued, as you will see on the hourly time frame chart discussion. Meantime, as you can see, market here could form something that looks like the 3 drive, or maybe some kind of the bearish wedge pattern. So you could see it, something of that sort would be formed here, right? So market by this action could reach, for example, this area is 127 of the butterfly, 1618 of inner A, B, C bottom pattern. It's right here. So that's the area that we will be focused on. So 1668.80, 169 sharp approximately, 169 even. So I can't exclude maybe market will form here some kind of the 3 drive. But we know two major moments. First moment is that this target probably should be reached by the price action. Second, currently market stands with a retracement, and when the market will down with this retracement, probably we could get some bearish Ishouston pattern. That particular speaking could be mostly the 3 drive, or at least some just wedge pattern that could trigger some significant retracement after the hitting of this area. That's our short-term expectation here. On the hourly time frame chart, there is one very significant thing has happened yesterday, and that thing is reversal swing down. So you can see that this action to the downside is greater than this swing up. And this tells us that market will show us compounding retracement. That will not be just a retracement, shallow bounce and continuation. No, we probably will get something of the sort of ABCD pattern. So that probably will be AB legs, some retracement, and CD action. Recall that major level that we have pointed for possible looking as the potential long entry area is this confluence 167.65 area approximately. So I can't exclude that market probably could get some sort of the agreement with the A, B, C, D, right, with this confluence. That will be just perfect picture. That will probably give us nice chance for possible taking the long position. That is what I would like to say about the Great British Pound. So just 2 points, that our target is approximately 168.80, 169 even. Here in the second moment, in the short-term perspective, is we probably will get compounding retracement down, two-leg retracement, mostly due to the appearing of this reversal swing. When this will happen, we will be watching for this confluence support. Maybe that will be also an agreement for possible long entry with the final target. And finally, it's very difficult right now to think about the deeper target, higher target, mostly due to the reaction that market is showing right now on the intraday charts. It's too much retracement. When you count on some far target, you expect to see at least fast action to the first target. That will give you the hope that market could proceed high. You need to see the strength of the market, but right now we see that market looks very heavy, and this much retracements on the way even to the first target puts under question the possible reaching of this area. So that's why we will be focused mostly on this target first. Now the small hint on the Japanese yen. So on the hourly time frame chart, I would like you to give just a small hint on the short-term pattern. This is mostly could be used by the scalp traders. We have the confirmed double ripple sell pattern on the hourly Japanese yen. So we have first up, close below the 3x3, close above and creating the new high, return right back down, close below. That's the confirmation bar of the double ripple sell. The target of this pattern stands 102.20 area. It's 50% support of the thrust of the double ripple. So that's maybe will be interesting for somebody. Well, that's in fact all that I would like to say about the financial markets and about the forex markets right now. Today, guys, probably we will not see any action. So this pattern, as well as on the Great British Pound, will show any action, I suppose, only on Monday. And as I said, during the weekend, we will take a look at the euro currency again.